My name is Matthew Marshall. I'm a technical sergeant with the 908th Aircraft Maintenance Squadron. My day-to-day job just consists of maintaining one, if not more than that, just aircraft flight daily missions. The main job of a crew chief is just to maintain, my assigned aircraft every day. So we get the plane ready for ops to fly, and when it lands, we inspect it. Before it takes off, we inspect it, and we'll maintain a majority of the systems on the aircraft. If we need to change a tire, we'll change a tire. If it's a system that is more specialized than what we're trained for, we'll coordinate and get a specialized maintainer out there to fix it.
There's two types of mechanics, flight line and ISO. But as an isochronal inspection mechanic, you're also expected to know what the flight line duties are.
Every 72 hours we check the engine oil. Every 15 days we check the prop servicing to make sure the prop's got hydraulic fluid in it. Checking tire wear, making sure there's no issues with the landing gear, flight controls, anything that would make make an unsafe condition for flight. We just maintain that, inspect it, and make sure everything's good to go. We do our own pre-flight before the plane flies, and then the flight engineer, when they come out to the aircraft, they do their own pre-flight, and we just help them out through all of it. We'll watch the flight controls for them. We'll watch the flaps for them. If they have any kind of issues while that's going on, we are there in case it is something that we can fix. We'll just handle it right then and there. If it's not, again, we'll just coordinate with the specialist expediter and get a specialist out there who is more qualified on that system.
A lot of things that happen, there are sometimes instruments or stuff on the plane that just malfunctions out of nowhere. Maybe even the power carts just kick off, and you really have to troubleshoot. It's best if you have an experienced crew chief with you, and the experienced crew chief can be like, this has happened before on another plane, and they can find it and fix it quickly. So it's just really common sense and troubleshooting.
I love my job just because, it's long hours, it's hard work, but it's a fantastic job, it's rewarding. I like maintaining an aircraft, I like turning wrenches, and I like to take pride in my aircraft. I think there's nothing better when you see that plane taxi out, you just stand out there and marshal it out. Just really get your blood going.